Jane, you're a snake. Braylon, I'm gonna make a better vlog than you.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, well, you know what? You know what? Guess what?
What?
I got this bad boy.
Oh my gosh. Now there's no way I can beat
There's
you.
no way.
You can come back and it will be right. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, you know. You know. I'm out here, Jane.
None of us repped it. So
I don't need a son quite yet. What are your thoughts on Megan Bowen?
I like her.
I like her too.
Better not be any banana spiders.
Yeah. I don't think we're supposed to put trash down there.
Probably not.
Oh. Why is he putting it over there? You spilled some on me. I've got some big news. Okay, so behind me, we've got a box. What is in that box? What is in that box, you might ask? A microwave. Jane helped me get it because it's ungodly close to my house, because I knew I would need help carrying it, and so Jane helped me out. We took turns and now I've got it, but it won't reach the outlet, so that's gonna be a problem for tomorrow. Pretty kind of sick right now. I don't have the flu now, I have a cold. So, am I miserable? Yes, but I'm not as miserable as I could be. I have a little to no filter right now, and I'm here to talk. So, this is day 2. My food waste bucket is still gone. My food waste bucket clearly has a duct tape on it that says my apartment number. And we're just not finna go look at it, I guess. But then, who gets 안녕하세요? Who gets 안녕하세요 and who gets 안녕하십니까? When the teachers are like, we got an English teacher, I'm finna gonna speak in English. So I'm over here like bowing, and someone like waves, hi, Ali teacher. What was that all about? I just want to know, what am I supposed to do? It's not like I'm going to fool anyone into thinking like I'm from around here. So, Jane.
Hi. Thank you
for showing me with the underwear behind me. Oops. Jane.
Hello.
We just got the padded, what are they called?
Your camera still shockingly bad.
Well, I need it for my selfie stick. I need my monopod.
It's like just that terrible.
Okay. But we're not talking, so I edited it out.
Yes, we just got padded jackets. What do they call them? Padding. That's what they call them. Padding.
Okay, so I've seen them all over. They're like almost 300. I've seen them up there to 300. Well, then you do it. Okay, so 300 I've seen. We got ours for how much, June? Say it. 80. And that's 80,001. Yeah. In US dollars, that's $70.
Yeah, I spent a lot on a coat. I don't normally spend this amount on a coat because I'm cheap. But hey ho, it's getting cold. This is the new place that I found, and I needed to bring Ali to.
Molly, I'm getting hungry.
Look at this going on. Isn't she lovely? For the record, I'd like to note that Ali, just a few moments ago, was in a bit of a mood. She was a bit hangry. And now, look at her little happy face.
Look at this. Look at this.
She's just everything. Look at her. Oh, everything. She's just styling, lovely. Everything you want in an alley is happening right now.
I'm out here.
She's living her best life.